In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove LinkedIn connections. Let's dive straight into it and streamline your LinkedIn experience. We're going to make it quick and easy, so grab your device and let's get started. First off, open your web browser and head over to LinkedIn's website. You can simply type in the URL or search for LinkedIn, and it should be one of the top results. Once there, you'll need to sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. This will take you to the login page where you'll enter your email address and password. Then hit Sign In to access your LinkedIn profile. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the LinkedIn home page. This is essentially your main dashboard, where you see updates from your connections and companies you follow. Now, from this familiar landscape, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you'll see several options. Click on My Network. This is your hub for managing all your connections and networking activities on the platform. In My Network, you'll be presented with a list of all your current connections. Scroll through your list and select the profile of the person you wish to remove. It's fairly straightforward. Just click on the person's name to view their profile directly. You'll now be on their individual LinkedIn profile page. Next, look towards the top of their profile. You'll see a button with 3 small dots arranged vertically. This is your go-to for more options regarding your connection with this person. Click this button to open a drop-down menu. This menu offers several options and is where you'll be able to find the choice to remove the connection. From here, click on the option that says Remove Connection. A confirmation message will likely pop up to make sure you want to proceed with removing them. Confirm your decision, and just like that, the person will be removed from your connections list. Rest assured, they won't receive a notification of the removal, so you can manage your network with privacy in mind. And that's it. You've successfully removed a connection from LinkedIn. This process allows you to refine your network, ensuring that your LinkedIn connections remain relevant and aligned with your professional priorities. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If so, please feel free to like this video and subscribe for more tips like this one. Have an awesome day!